Alright, today I'm going to show you how to bond more funds to a stake that you already have. It's really simple. We're going to do this on Kusama because I don't have any free ones on Polkadot. All you're going to do is go to Network, go to Staking like you normally would. Let this load. Go over here to Account Actions. And then over here on the three dots on the right, just going to click that. Click the first one, Bond More Funds. And it will show you about what you have left available to bond minus a little bit for transaction fees. Definitely want to make sure that you don't bond everything so that you have some for transaction fees. Just want to hit bond right here, and then after that you will sign the transaction as such. Tiny little fee, you'll sign and submit that, and that's it. Real easy.